Okay, so now we're going to see how to create our animation. So we go up here and we select a new file and we select presentation and hit create. And then I want to use my assembly file. So I pick the assembly file and there it is. Down here is sort of our movie storyboard. It tells us how long things have gone. There's where we hit play, fast forward, return, etc. Over here are our snapshots. Those are like the pictures. So for example, I can hit snapshot view and I've now created view one, which shows the puzzle cube like this. So to make the video, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to click on tweak the components. So I click on that and it opens up this right over here. And this right here will be like the duration of the movie. So this movie is currently going to be 2.5 seconds. So you can change that if you want. In a trail, you want to select no trail because I don't want to see the blue lines moving back and forth. I can use the little roller ball on my mouse to move how it looks. And I basically select a part and I want to move it. So I click on move. I grab the circle and I lift it up. And then I lift it out because I want to be able to see it. And then I do the same here with this part. Move it up and out. And do the same thing with this part right here. Move it up and out. Same here, up, out, and down. And now I can see all of my parts and how they fit together. And I hit the green little check mark to show that they are done. And I'm going to hit play to see what I did. And so right there, you can see it's going to follow the trail that you dragged it on. All right. Now, if I hit the, if I go down here, I can edit things and delete things out and go to different parts of the storyboard, or I can just delete everything and start again. It depends on how you want. I am going to go ahead and just, if you want to, the other thing you can do is you could rotate. So if I pick this piece here and I hit rotate, I can spin that around and let folks see different parts. And I'm just, and you can see here, it's moving along our degrees of freedom. And that now added back on another 2.5 seconds. And so when I hit play, it's going to follow all of that. Now, it's amazing how long 2.5 seconds are. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is go up to here where it says video. I'm going to click on video, and this is going to be how long it's going to run. I'm going to check this button right here that says reverse. And I prefer to WMV file, and I don't want it in my documents folder. I actually want it in my Inventor folder. So I'm going to navigate to my puzzle cube folder. And IED, work, puzzle cube, and I'll just leave this, I can just leave it named puzzle cube. Select folder. This is storyboard one, and I'm going to hit reverse and I hit OK. And what it does is it runs through my storyboard in reverse. So it's a little slow to get started, but you can see how the puzzle is put together. It's actually very slow to get started, so I'm going to pause the video real quick. So as you can see, it's actually going through putting the puzzle piece together because I did it and recorded it in reverse, which is kind of cool. All right, so once you've got that file saved, you are going to go over to Canvas and upload it into the animation file to turn that in. Okay, now the other thing you need to do is you need to find a spot in your video where your puzzle pieces are nicely, easily laid out. And they're looking kind of their bestest. So I'm going to click around a little bit here and find a nice screenshot where I can see all my pieces and how they kind of fit together. And that's right here. And I'm going to kind of center it, make it look good. And then I go over here and click new snapshot view. And that pops it right over here as view number 2. And I can play around with that a little bit. See if I have a better view. I don't know if that's necessarily a better one. I think I got the best view the first time. Yeah, I think I got the best one for that time, so I'm going to leave it at that. So now what I'm going to do is create my sheet drawing.